Top 5 Most Expensive Hotel Rooms in the World. Money may not be able to buy happiness, but it can certainly let you spend the night in one of the most expensive hotel suites in the world. Ever wished you could spend the night in one of the world's most luxurious hotels but were concerned about the cost? Or do you want to book a luxurious trip and just get a glimpse inside these opulent suites? Well, this video is for you. We've compiled a list of the top 5 most luxurious hotel rooms that will make you feel comfortable and cost a lot of money. Standard hotel rooms often provide the essential amenities required to make guests comfortable, but some hotels go above and beyond to provide luxury. Luxury is not cheap, it has a high cost, as pleasurable as it may be. Different hotels provide varying levels of luxury, including expansive sitting rooms, sumptuous master bedrooms, breathtaking seafronts, and all the amenities you could imagine. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be featuring the top 5 most expensive hotel rooms in the world. Please subscribe to this channel for more engaging videos and click the thumbs up button below to get notified of our next upload. Let's have a look at the top 5 most expensive hotel rooms in the world. 5. La Cala Island Resort Hilltop Estate, Fiji, $61,142 per night. Starting off the list of the most expensive hotels in the world is La Cala Island Resort Hilltop Estate in Fiji. You may enjoy a secluded and sumptuous stay at the Hilltop Villa on La Cala Island in Fiji, which is surrounded by beautiful jungle, for prices starting at about $61,000 per night. Each of the 25 residences features a private pool, a sizable sun deck, and an elegant design that complements Fiji's stunning natural surroundings. They can be found on cliff tops, above lagoons, in the bush, or on beaches. Interiors are lit by natural sunlight and decorated with local wood and thatch roofing. The private apartment features an infinity pool, a bar, and 2 bedrooms, each with its own jacuzzi, in addition to the spectacular rooftop view. If that's not enough, it also includes added benefits like a personal chef, chauffeur, and nanny. Oh! Additionally, you can access your own personal airfield on an island as well as a chauffeur. For $61,000 a night, there are too many features. 4. The Mark Penthouse, the Mark Hotel $75,000. This suite is the most expensive hotel accommodation in New York City, costing $75,000 per night. The Mark Hotel's penthouse, which measures more than 10,000 square feet and bills itself as a castle in the sky, is North America's largest and most expensive hotel apartment. What then is inside the enormous pad? 3 king bedrooms, 2 queen bedrooms, a library lounge, a 12-person dining room, and 2 powder rooms are all included in this penthouse. Custom Jacques Grange furnishings, soaring ceilings, a rooftop terrace with views of Central Park, and a living room that can be converted into a full-sized ballroom if you feel like dancing are all present and accounted for. A lot of famous people rent the penthouse. In February 2019, Meghan Markle, one of the hotel's notable visitors, held her baby shower there. If you want to feel pampered, then book a couple of nights in this suite. 3. The Royal Penthouse, Hotel President Wilson $80,000. This is the hotel for you if you need somewhere to stay for one night in Geneva, Switzerland, and you have an $80,000 budget. The living area of this suite, which spans the entire 8th story of the hotel and has views of Lake Geneva, is spread out across 232 square meters. It has a sweeping view of Lake Geneva and Mont Blanc, 12 bedrooms, and 12 bathrooms with Hermes bath amenities and a jacuzzi bath that looks out over the lake. To safeguard famous visitors, the windows are even bulletproof. The suite also contains a gym, a 1930 Brunswick pool table, a Steinway grand piano, and a Bang & Olufsen Beovision 4:103 home theater system are also included. You can take advantage of a private elevator, a 24/7 personal attendant, a private chef, and a butler in addition to the lavish furnishings and views. Guests including Bill Clinton, the King of Saudi Arabia, Tony Blair, Bill Gates, Sir Richard Branson, and Michael Jackson have stayed in the suite. So, if you have extra money, indulge yourself. 2. Empathy Suite, The Palms, Las Vegas $100,000. With an outrageous price tag of $100,000 per night, the Empathy Suite at the Palms in Las Vegas comes in second for the priciest hotel suite in the world. Damien Hirst, an artist, designed this villa, which was listed among Time magazine's greatest places of 2019. Due to the handcrafted furniture and 6 Damien Hirst originals, this hotel is a haven for art enthusiasts. For $100,000, you receive 2 master bedrooms, massage tables, a cantilevered jacuzzi with views of the Las Vegas Strip, a salt relaxation room, and a private tour of the hotel's art collection and facilities. This is not your typical hotel suite. With 2 stories and 9,000 square feet, the villa has plenty of room for seats to accommodate up to 52 guests. The bathrooms are equally intricate, with finishes made of gray marble and accents designed in the style of Hirst. The property offers a fitness facility and a game room with a pool table. Fans of Damien Hirst will definitely enjoy every second of their stay here as a result. 1. Lover's Deep, Luxury Submarine Hotel, St. Lucia $150,000. Lover's Deep St. Lucia Submarine, the most costly hotel room in the world, would be the finest option if your budget could accommodate all of life's indulgences. Love is expensive down at the bottom of the ocean. It will cost you $150,000 per night. You get the entire submarine for this price as opposed to just one compartment. A hotel that is truly submerged underwater should offer nothing less. It is luxury at its finest and is equipped with every modern amenity. Guests can select extras like helicopter flights, beach landings, 2-person showers, and champagne brunches, as well as a captain, a private chef, a butler, and speedboat transports. The menu is open for visitors to select whatever they desire. They can choose to order Russian caviar, the most luscious chocolate fondant, or oysters. Certainly, staying here will provide a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but only if you have the money. We've come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed our list of the top 5 most expensive hotel rooms in the world.